It's your boy TB314. I got the news and the talk abouts. Like and subscribe.
An armored
Come
truck in the
join the
Bronx.
team.
Video shows the suspect running off, his arms filled with bags containing $200,000. It happened yesterday afternoon on East 167th Street and Girard Avenue in the concourse section. The man pushed the armored car worker who was unloading cash from the truck before taking off with bags.
It is 4:50.
Sweet lick. Sweet lick. 200,000. Sweet lick. And oh wait, he said he pushed him. He pushed him off the truck. Man, look here, dog. Look, everybody, ain't nobody down. Ain't nobody down. But it ain't my place. But 200 lords? God damn. Hell yeah, nigga. You could slap me. I'ma fall too. Shit. 200? And you can't look. You can't see his face, though. You can't even see the dude's face. He was prepared. Like, he was not joking. He was not playing. Sweet lick. He like, fuck that. We doing this. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, they hood rich. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Man. Shh. Look here, man. Y'all be safe out here, man. This world is getting crazy about a minute. About a minute getting crazy. 200 lords, 200,000. It's your boy TB, man. Like and subscribe.